Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing 3 scrap blazer cores and at least 50 scrap alloy. This gives you immediate charges. Open your loadout and equip the scrap blazer in slot 2, then attach a coolant module to reduce heat buildup. Once done, run a quick firing test with short bursts to learn the weapon's heat curve. This prevents accidental shutdowns. Make sure your power distribution favors weapons to avoid slow charge times. These steps get you firing reliably right away. Now focus on the middle sequence, controlling heat and ammo under pressure. You should adopt a 3-to-1 burst-to-cool rhythm, 3 short bursts, then pause to vent, because the scrap blazer accumulates heat quickly during sustained fire. While moving, use sprint cancel reloads to swap cores without losing position. This keeps you aggressive. Once done, always glance at the ammo counter and reserve 1 core as an emergency backup for heavy waves or boss phases, which prevents being caught. To finish encounters, time a full charged blast when the enemy is staggered for maximum impact. This conserves cores while dealing lethal damage. If you overheat, immediately switch to melee or your secondary weapon until the heat gauge drops 20 to 30%. This avoids shutdowns in critical moments. Finally, maintain your cores. Repair degraded units at the workbench, and replace any core with integrity below 50%. If things still fail, check coolant module placement and wiring in loadout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.